Hi there, this is the Handy, our high-tech automatic stroker. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your device to Wi-Fi. In the next steps, you're going to learn about the connection key, the setup, and connect the Wi-Fi network of your choice, so that your Handy will automatically connect every single time you click the Wi-Fi button. And why use the Handy online? Connecting to Wi-Fi will enable you to sync your Handy with videos and remotely control it from any part of the world. It is also necessary to update the software on your device to get access to the latest features. All right, are you ready? Let's start setting up the Wi-Fi connection. And just before we start the setup, make sure your Handy is plugged into the power outlet. Every single time you plug in or restart your Handy, it goes into manual mode by default. During the booting up sequence, the Handy's grip will adjust to the lowest possible position. Even if you've not used it before, the device will move the grip up and down to make sure it's in the right position. To start your setup, you need to go into the Wi-Fi setup mode. To do so, click and hold the Wi-Fi button for around 2 seconds until the LED indicator starts slowly pulsating a blue color light. Now the Handy is in the Wi-Fi setup mode, awaiting the next Wi-Fi setup process. And fun fact, if you click for too long, the LED light will blink red. But don't worry, nothing's broken. This is Handy's way of saying to you that it has already done what it was supposed to do, and you can stop pressing the button. It will go back to the last finished action. So in this instance, to the Wi-Fi setup mode. No need to restart your device. You are now ready to set up your Wi-Fi connectivity. Turn on the Wi-Fi on your Wi-Fi enabled device. The Handy should appear in the list of available devices with a name, Handy setup, and 8 random letters or numbers. Those numbers or letters might change every single time you go into the Wi-Fi setup mode. Connect to the Handy setup network. This will take you to the Handy setup landing page. If the setup page does not automatically open, type 192.168.1.1 into your browser. This will force the Handy setup page to open. On this landing page, you'll find your connection key. Write it down somewhere or take a screenshot. You'll learn more about the connection key in the connectivity guideline video, but for now, remember that you can find the connection key in this step. If you have your connection key, then you're ready to click the Setup Wi-Fi button. This will open a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Pick your Wi-Fi network from the list, type in your password, and click Connect. Now that the Handy has connected to the Wi-Fi network of your choice, you need to restart it. To do so, simply click any button. And there you go. Congratulations. You've just finished setting up your Wi-Fi auto login. And you won't need to go through the Wi-Fi setup again if you're connecting to the same network. One more thing just before you go. Remember that the Handy's default mode is the manual one. So after restarting the device, Handy automatically starts in the manual mode. So now, if you want to go online, you just click the Wi-Fi button once. A slow flashing blue and dark blue light means that you've successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. But remember, just click once. If you press and hold, you'll go into Wi-Fi setup mode instead. Oh, and by the way, it's not possible to connect the Handy to managed networks, like a hotel or an office building, where you do not have the credentials for the Wi-Fi router. However, there is a way around it. You would need an additional device to the one you are using to connect the Handy to the internet. Just set up a Wi-Fi hotspot on it and treat it as any other Wi-Fi network that you would like to connect to. Now all you need to do is repeat the Wi-Fi setup sequence that you did with the first device.